Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have c plus 2 equals to c plus 1 and we solve this problem for all the values of c. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. So from first method here our target is to find the values of c, but if you see directly into the question statement, it is not easy to find the values of c. If you see directly here, the value of c is not exist, but here I can use another technique in which we can easily find the values of c. For this we take squaring on both of the sides, and we have c plus 2 whole square equals to c plus 1 whole square. And now further in the next step we need to use here the nice algebraic formula. You know about that. If we have a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2 times of ab plus b square. So we apply this nice formula on both of the sides of this equation. So it will be written as, so when you apply this formula on both of the sides, it will becomes here c square plus 2 times of ab. Here our a is c and b is 2 plus b square, so b is 2 square equals to and now we again apply this formula to the right hand side, and it will become c square plus 2 times of c into 1 plus 1 square. And now further in the next step we need more simplifications, and we obtain c square plus this is 2 times 2 becomes 4c plus this 2 square becomes 4, and we move all the terms from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will become this is plus c square. When we move it into the left hand side, it will becomes minus c square. This is plus 2c. When we move it into the left hand side, it will becomes minus 2c. This is 1 square. When we move it into the left hand side, it will becomes minus 1, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step we need more simplifications, and this is minus c square, this is plus c square are cancelled out by each other, and we obtain this is 4c minus 2c, and you know about that 4 minus 2 becomes here 2c, and this is 4 minus 1, and 4 minus 1 becomes here 3, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here our target is to find the values of c. So for this we move plus 3 to the right hand side, and it will becomes 2c equals to minus 3, and now we divide both of the sides by 2. So when we divide both of the sides by 2, it will becomes here 2c divided by 2 equals to minus 3 is divided by 2. This 2 and this 2 are gone, and we get here c is equals to minus 3 divided by 2. This is the value of c which we get here in the first method. And now in the next step we need to verify that is this value of c be the solution, or is this value of c be the extraneous root. So for verification of this value we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is c plus 2 equals to c plus 1, and we substitute the value of c on both of the sides, and it will becomes here so this will be written as minus 3 divided by 2 plus 2 equals to minus 3 divided by 2 plus 1. So here in order to remove this fraction we will multiply both of the sides by 2. So when we multiply by 2, it will becomes here 2 multiplied by minus 3 over 2 plus 2 multiplied by 2 equals to 2 multiplied by minus 3 over 2 plus 2 multiplied by 1. So on both of the side we multiply by 2 on each of these terms. This 2 and 2 are gone, and we get here minus 3 plus this is 2 times 2 becomes 4 equals to this 2 and 2 are gone, and we get minus 3 plus 2 times 1 equals to 2. So this is minus 3 plus 4 becomes 1 equals to minus 3 plus 2 becomes minus 1. So you see here in the left hand side is plus 1, and in the right hand side is minus 1, and this is not possible case. So if this is not possible, this means that the value of c is equals to minus 3 over 2 is not satisfied our given question statement, because these are not equal. So this means that the value of C is equals to minus 3 over 2 is not satisfied our given question statement, and we call that this value be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, so this is the extraneous root, and here we cannot get any other value of C which is satisfied our given question statement, so we call that this question has no solution in general. So this is the final conclusion of from first method, and now we again solve this problem for second method. And for second method we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is C plus 2 equals to C plus 1, and here in the second method we use the direct method to determine about the solution set of this problem. For this we move the C to the right hand side, and it will becomes 2 equals to C plus 1 minus C. So this is the minus C, this is the plus C are cancelled out by each other, and we get here 2 is equals to 1. So you see here 2 is not equals to 1 in general, and here we cannot get any value of C which is satisfied our given question statement. So we finally conclude about that this question has no solution. This is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.